Hi, Nick from Solution World of Clean. I'm going to talk to you today about Empower, specifically Empower Plus. Put this product through lots of tests, independent tests, to prove it works against coronavirus. Kind of handy product to have right now. It's 100% derived from natural, renewable resources, so it's plant-based. Nice and safe, keep all the tree huggers out there happy. Do take care, there may be one or two people out there that are allergic to plant-based products, so make sure you ask. So how does this product work? What makes it different? Well, it's what we call an active colloid. Imagine for a second a glass of lemonade, lots of bubbles moving around in the lemonade. Now think of those amplified hundreds of thousands of times. They're so small you can't see them. These particles are attracting and repelling each other all the time. You almost create a air hammer-like vibrational effect in a product. Shocks the soil away, breaks down odours, bacteria and soiling. So ideal in scenarios where people have got pets. Dilution's really good, 1 to 50. That's 20 mil per litre. Or if you're using a 5 litre sprayer, 100 mil. Really easy measurement, that one. Needs about 15 minutes physical contact time with the surface you're cleaning. Allows it to work and break down the soils. It continues to work as long as there's any form of moisture present. So even though you've finished cleaning and left, any residue from Empower will keep on working until it not only breaks down the odours and the soil, but actually breaks down itself. Nothing left.